Dear students, I would like to welcome you for our new MOOC course on the history of Delhi Sultanate. The time span for this course is from 1206 to 1550. Through this course, we will be highlighting the various aspects of the history of medieval India with special emphasis on the regime of the Delhi Sultans, starting from Iltutmish to Ibrahim Lodi. Through this course, we will be able to highlight the various aspects of the history of medieval India with special emphasis on Delhi Sultanate. We will be studying the political, the cultural, the social as well as the economic history of that time. It's going to be a 30-module course based on the CBCS syllabus, and it's very interesting and fascinating epoch of the medieval Indian history. If I would like to start with the accession of Iltutmish to the throne of the Delhi kingdom, and how he tried to consolidate the empire, and then how Razia came and also she tried to consolidate the empire, and what happened after that. So it's a history of the dynasties which came one after another, and the rulers, they tried to have a permanent impact over the society as well as over the politics and over the economy of our country. One of the greatest rulers of Delhi Sultanate was Alauddin Khalji. So in this course also we are going to highlight his contributions and also how he tried to give his empire a new identity. There were the rulers like Ghiyasuddin Balban, who was famous to us for his theory of kingship. Also we find the rulers like Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So this is the time now we can reassess or we can rethink about the contributions of these rulers who were definitely very much memorable, not only for their different activities but for their colorful personality. The candidates eligible for this course should at least pass +2 examinations with any subject. In this course, 4 modules are to be uploaded each week over 7 weeks. Rest of 2 modules are uploaded in the last week. You will be required to spend 8 to 10 hours a week listening to the lecture, studying the reading material and consulting the references. You are most welcome to ask questions and seek clarifications through email. If you complete the course, submit all the assignments on time and take the desired examination, you will be rewarded with 3 credit points and a certificate of achievement. So dear students, I would like to invite you to join in this course for a wonderful experience, and I hope that I will be able to help you to know the history of medieval India with special emphasis on Delhi Sultanate.